I just roll a couple more out, and I'm going to put these around those knots without any wire in them. Let's try one first. I take a little bit off the base here, kind of pinch it like that, and then take some water right in here and pop that. Just kind of curl it back a little bit. This part, I think I'm doing them just a little. Oh, that looks better actually when I wrap it like that. There we go. One that's bugging me is this one. It's a little too tall. So I'm going to actually cut the wire and get it out of there. So the wire's going into the Rice Krispies. Okay, so I just need to keep adding some more, definitely in here. I think what I'll do is snip a little of this off so I don't have to go that high. All right, so I have all these on. I'm going to put one more small one just to kind of cover this area right here. Just kind of leave it sitting out like that. Okay, all right, now what we can do is put some extra cake here, kind of build it up, put our icing on there that we're going to place on there, and then make the rest of the fruit.